da 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 da. Hello. I know this is like the second time I'm making another video, but I'm just saying. Okay, I got told from people they wanted me to share them on this episode. I'm doing one person each episode. So the first one goes to my amazing boyfriend, Luke. Add him on Seeing Kids. It's Luke like, yeah, no. He probably don't want me to tell you. You want to know anything, just anyway, he's like sweetest guy, boo, and I love him to death. Couldn't live without him. Best thing in my life. Love him to death. Don't want no one taken away from me. This is to you people. Not taking my boy away. Got that? Yeah, I can be really mean if you take him away. Anyway, I found love with him a few days ago. Okay, he probably don't want me to tell you guys this, but shh. He is like the best person in the world, and he has beautiful eyes. They're like blue. They're like so beautiful. And I'm gonna cuddle him and kiss him and all that fluff. Anyway, I bet you don't want to hear me talking about, you know, this really sexy guy all online. But I am for this video, so get over it, because I'm gonna be a sweetie and tell my boyfriend. Love him. Love you, bro. Stay with me forever. Anyway, he's just like best boy ever. Treats me like I'm actually a person. Love this boy. I'm gonna keep doing this because that's how much I love him, even though he says he loves me more. I love you more. I love you way more, okay? Love you more, bro. I know I look hideous right now. At least I'm talking to you. Well, I'm talking about you. Okay. You don't want to hear me talk about boyfriends and whatnot, but I just want to tell you, he makes my heart smile, makes me feel beautiful, makes me feel smart, makes me feel gorgeous, makes me feel sexy. No, I'm just kidding. It does not make me feel sexalicious. I don't know what that word means. Anyway, well, you girls and you guys, stay the fuck away from me. Oh my god, stay outside. Shh. Okay, that probably just ruined everything, but nah. Just want to tell you, I love him, and this is for him. I don't care what you guys say. Duke, I love you. I want to cuddle you. Want to kiss your face. I'm like, I don't know. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, and I want to marry you and have babies with you. Talk to you later, sunshine.